A very good morning once again, dear students. Welcome back to the mathematics class. As you all know, my dear children, that today being a Wednesday, 16th of December 2020, please first write the date on the page, which is page number 127, as you can see here, and write the date here, which is 16.12.2020. It is a new topic and it is called measurement. What do we mean by measurement? If you remember, in the school, when you were all coming to school, in your sports class, your PT teacher, Jitendra sir, or be it Jason sir, he will take you to the sports department, right? And he will try to see your height. Why would he do that? It's an interesting way to see how much you have grown since you were in KG2 to what you are in first standard, isn't it? So the things that they use for measurement, if you remember, what we use for measuring is actually a height measurement tape, and sir or the nurse ma'am measures you and weighs you. These are different ways of measuring. Today we are also going to look at some new ways of measurement. From the Oxford Book of Maths, open page number 127. This is called looking back. Okay, this is called looking back. These are my handprints at different ages. We did this in nursery. Circle the biggest one and tick the smallest one. So up till now we were doing bigger number, smaller number, smallest number, bigger number. So now there is this child who has his hand measurement. This is the small, bigger, biggest. So it says circle the biggest one and tick the smallest one. So the red one is the biggest. So circle it please, along with Neha ma'am. Circle the biggest one nicely and tick the smallest one. Okay. These are my favorite toys. Circle the heaviest one and tick the lightest one. Now here it says heaviest. So measuring can also be in different ways. Now a paper, as you see here, is lighter than the pencil. The pencil has more weight in it. Similarly, it's a car, an elephant, and a ball. So out of this, who will be the heaviest? It will be the elephant because it is really strong and big. And then the tick the lightest one. The cycle will be the lightest one. Here it's a toy car. Remember that it's a toy car. We are circling the elephant, which is too big and heavy. I drink these every day. Circle the one that holds the most and tick the one that holds the least. So, किसमें सबसे ज़्यादा you can see that liquid is there. It is in this chocolate milk. And where is the least? It is here in the mango shake. So we circle this and we put a tick here. These are my clothes at different ages. These are my clothes at different ages. Circle the longest one and tick the shortest one. So longest one, make a big circle. You can even use crayon, and the shortest is looking the half pant. Please make sure that you go ahead and put a tick. This is how, my dear children, we do measurement. Here it was talking about the biggest and smallest. Here heaviest and lightest. Here which holds more and less. And here at different length. Ways of measuring. Now today we will do how long. Okay. Let's quickly do this. This is very interesting. Now this chapter is for mental ability and for only oral purposes. That is, we only use it for mental ability. We don't really solve any sums. We are strengthening our mental strength. Use your this finger to measure the length of crayon. Okay, so you will use your this finger, as you can see from here, only this much, and use it to measure the crayon. Whatever will be the measure, let's say 4, you write it here. This, if it is 3, write it here. If this is 6, write it here. I am giving you an example. You will have to write your finger measurement of the crayon. The dash crayon is the longest, the dash crayon is the shortest. So then you will write the blue. You can only see and write from here. The blue is the longest and the red crayon is the shortest. This is called, this is called a finger span measurement. We can also use our arm span, hand span, foot span. These are called हाथ से अगर आप कुछ चीज़ नाप रहे हो, right? Foot span or paces to measure the length. What is the length of for each? Your classroom wall is about dash arm span. So we don't have the classroom right now because we are not going to the classroom. We are having the digital classroom. Please measure any one wall of your house like it is showing here with the boy using the body, and write the details here. Blackboard wala, leave it. Don't write. Any table in the house, measure it with your hand span. You have to measure. Use your hand span to measure. The teacher's table or any other table or cupboard. Let's just say you can leave this, and any cupboard you can measure. Okay. Okay. Please measure any cupboard because now you don't have the teacher's table. You're already doing a table here. Your cupboard is about this foot span. Even with the foot, you can try to measure with mummy's help. Any door in the house, please use any of only this is when you're using your feet to measure, it is called foot span, and when you're measuring with your hand, it is called hand span. This is called arm span. You're using both the arms. Hand span using hands. This is your foot span using feet. Remember to use all of this while you are at home. You can change it according to your own measurement style and do it, because then that will make it very easy. Okay, let's go here. Cut out the strip of paper clips at the top of this page and use it to measure the length of each. So you will have to cut this page from here till here. These paper clips are there and you have to measure. So use the paper clip and measure. If this is 2, so about 2 paper clips. Example I am giving. If this is 1, so about eraser is 2 paper clips long. Sharpener is 1. Use it to measure this, which is a spoon, a thermometer, a pencil. Okay. And here you can compare the pencils with each other. Please, this is a wonderful activity. Do this with the help of mummy. Use the scissor only when mummy is around. Don't do it on your own. Okay. And then use the paper clips to do this and solve it and send it to Neha ma'am. We will now go to the worksheet for the day. It is measurement. Write your section E like this and your name in cursive. So I'm just showing you how to write my name. I write it like this. You will write yours. Don't copy my name. My name is Neha Prasad. I've written it in cursive handwriting. How long is each object? So here what they have given something like a robot, and the units are here given on the scale. You have to just measure it and put it here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7 units long. Dash units long. Caterpillar 1, 2, 3. Caterpillar is 3 units long. Crayon or chalk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units long. Pencil pencil is 4 units long. You can see here 4 units long. A syringe or injection is, as you can see here, 10 units long. Solve, turn the paper. Arm span, hand span. Activity. Again, the same activity that I have given you. Use your arm span for a bedroom wall. Whatever you write it in the book, please write it here also. Your sofa for hand span. You have to use your hand span to measure. Okay. Foot span. Your bed is about this foot span long. And your front gate of your house to your kitchen. So walk from your front gate to your kitchen. This is your paces. Way of measurement, जितना आपका feet जाता है वहाँ तक करो and do it. Okay. So this is wonderful activity. Do it and I'll see you in the next class. Measurement is what we are doing now. Thank you.